Li Ning Red Hare 8 Pro? Precision, cushioning, and speed for the road ahead. In the world of competitive running, every detail matters. The weight of your shoe, the stability under pressure, the energy return at every toe-off. The Li Ning Red Hare 8 Pro has been engineered with these demands in mind, combining cutting-edge material science with advanced biomechanics to deliver a shoe that's not just fast, but stable, durable, and tuned for racing performance. At the core of this shoe lies Li Ning's signature BOOM technology. Unlike traditional EVA midsoles, BOOM is created through supercritical fluid foaming, making it lighter, more resilient, and more durable. This innovative foam doesn't just cushion your stride, it rebounds with energy, giving you propulsion that makes each step more efficient. Marathoners and long-distance racers will especially appreciate how the BOOM midsole reduces impact on the joints while maintaining responsiveness over the course of an entire race. It's not just cushioning, it's performance-driven cushioning. Complementing the BOOM midsole is BOOM Fiber, a high-tech upper material crafted through advanced spinning and weaving technology. The result is a shoe that feels feather-light on the foot, but strong enough to resist deformation even through high mileage. It's breathable, comfortable, and built to lock your foot in place without sacrificing flexibility. For runners tackling marathon distances or intense racing sessions, this means a secure fit that adapts with your movement, keeping your stride natural and efficient. Beneath your feet, GCR LOC rubber takes care of grip and safety. This innovative outsole material is lighter than traditional rubber, so light, in fact, that it can float on water. But don't mistake that lightness for fragility. GCR LOC provides excellent anti-slip performance, especially in wet conditions, giving you reliable traction mile after mile. Whether you're racing on damp streets after a rain or on dry marathon courses, you'll feel secure in every stride. Adding to the structural support is the ProBar LOC stabilizer, embedded in the midsole arch. This device connects the forefoot to the heel, creating a smoother transition and protecting the arch by providing balance support. Runners will notice enhanced stability during long-distance efforts, especially when fatigue sets in, helping maintain efficiency and reducing the risk of overuse injuries. Every material choice in the Red Hare 8 Pro reflects Li Ning's commitment to innovation. From the soft, shock-absorbing midsole to the rebound-ready cushioning, from the ultra-breathable BOOM Fiber upper to the lightweight but high-traction GCR LOC outsole. This shoe is designed to work with the runner, not against them. The result? A racing shoe that is not only lightweight and fast but also stable, supportive, and built for endurance. Whether you're aiming for a new marathon personal best, tackling half marathons, or pushing through high-intensity training sessions, the Li Ning Red Hare 8 Pro provides the balance of speed, stability, and comfort that serious athletes demand. Step into innovation. Step into stability. Step into the future of racing with the Li Ning Red Hare 8 Pro.